Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 16th day of March 2026. And here is, we just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and here's a trade taken in the room today. So here we go. The setup is this. The buyers have tried to push up and failed miserably. And then we get this beautiful, strong candle. Now, we did take the first one, and we're also going to take the second one as well. And look over here at the PVI. I expect we had some news, so it spiked up temporarily and then just came straight back down again. So we're definitely in a downward trend. Next candle is going to be around 100 ticks in length. So we're going to grab our ATM and we're going to do our 20s, 50s, and 100s like we do most days. And this is how it all went down in the room today. So we're going to wait for the retrace, and then we're going to go. All right, here we go. Boom. We don't need to hurry because this has got to retrace first. We're going to sell it. All right, we'll let this go at regular speed until we get the retrace. There we go. Nice retrace on that. And when we get picked up, we'll speed it up so we're not here all day. And here we go. You'll see the risk is going to be not that bad considering how hot the market is right now. So as soon as this comes down and picks us up, our stop will go up here. And then once we hit 20 ticks, we'll get into a break-even position and see what happens. Nice little retrace, taking a minute or a minute and a half to do what it wants to do. And then we get a nice push down. Can't speed it up before we get into the trade because we might not get all of our targets set properly. So we have to just wait this out. As soon as we get picked up, we'll speed it up and show you the results. Boom. Okay. Now, stop is where it's perfectly placed where it needs to be, right off the ATM. As soon as we get to 20 ticks, the stop's going to come to minus 18 or a break-even position, and we'll give the market plenty of room to try and get their other targets. So now we can go ahead and speed it up. We'll go 4 times market speed. Boom. First, see how the stop came down? Now, if this comes back and takes us, first 2 targets are out. We can't lose money on this. So we'll just have to leave everything the way it is. This may take a little more than just the one candle. Whenever you're going for larger targets, it's obviously going to take longer to get everything to hit. But a really nice, got 90 ticks to our 100 tick target already. But I think this does take an extra candle out of it. Now, some people did take their stop and put it on the brick wall right here, and then they got whatever they got out of it. 50 times 2, and then 20 times 2. So right now we're 90 ticks ahead of the game in the bank. We're sitting at minus 18 no matter what happens. We can't lose money. Here's another. If I wanted to, I could put another trade on right here. Here's another strong candle. Let that retrace happen, put another order on right here, and then take it short. But we're still in the other trade, so we'll go with that. There we go. All right, that got taken out. Took a couple of candles to get there, but eventually it did. It took about 7.5 minutes to complete and was worth 970 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 970 US dollars in 7.5 minutes, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. That's SamuraiDayTrading.com. And we'll look forward to seeing you next time on Trade of the Day. God bless you, and we'll see you then.